Good morning, students. Once again, your teacher O.P. Gupta is here. Dear students, now it is the third level, and I have started this lesson from Vistas. You can understand better as we are passing through the third time lockdown, and that's why I have started the story, The Third Level, written by Jake Fanning. Third level. At first, you have to know about the theme of the story. The story, The Third Level, clearly explores the science fiction of time travel. The recipient of the World Fantasy Award and the writer really interweaves fantasy with reality in his projection of time travel. Charlie, the protagonist, wishes to be transported to the third level, the world of Galsburg, Illinois, in 1894, which is supposed to be a much happier and quieter place to be in. My dear students, Charlie, a 31-year-old man in a tan, if he is such a character who always travels in anxieties. One night on his way back from work, he decides to take the subway at the Grand Central Station, which, as everyone knows, has two levels. Here you may create the question, if the station has the only two levels, why this fellow Charlie used to think about the third level? Do you know, whenever a human being passes through anxieties, whenever a man finds to live in a state of peace, but whenever there is a lacking of peace around him, the man travels in a psychological world, in a fantasy. And that's why here in this story you will find the character Charlie was also moving in such a state. The story also dwells on the theme of escapism as a psychological refuge from the grim realities of the present day world, along with a desire to stay with the past, a desire that Charles' wife Louisa does not contest. Sam has also happily escaped with no desire to return to his old profession. Here you can create the question, a name of new character, Sam. Who is Sam? Sam really? Vanner is Sam Vanner is Charlie's friend and psychiatrist, and the next most important character in the story. He concludes that the third level is a figment of Charlie's imagination, induced by the pressures of modern living. The story exposes the vulnerable side of the common man, surrounded by myriad problems. We humans sometimes experience a craving for peace and serenity and look for possible escape. In this story, even you will find that it is about time intersection, an illusion, a kind of long dream that we do not experience during our sleep. My dear students, the story, the third level, also brings us on such a level where human beings really misguide themselves. They want to gain something, but actually whatever it is in the heart of the people, they get very different. Means they want to go somewhere else, but they reach somewhere else. They want to do something else, but by mistaken, even you can say, or by any way, even the men can do other things even at the same time. how it happens. Even you have to go to the World War. The story when it was written, really there was a war-like situation in the whole world, and that's why people were very, very anxious. Most of the people, those who were the peace-loving men, wanted to settle somewhere where there may not be any kind of disturbance. But really it was impossible in those days to find such a place in the whole world. The writer Jack Finney really brought a nice theme to this story. He wanted to really bring us on such a place that where the people will start to think that war brings nothing but only loss, and not only loss of property, loss of manpower, but even the loss of peace. Peace. It is such a desire of each and everyone where one can progress day and night. My dear, certainly you would like to know the story, what is the story about, and so the story in short in such a way. Just I am going to explain. The story revolves around a 31-year-old man named Charlie who experienced something weird one day. After work, coming from the subway, he reached the third level of the Grand Central Station. Actually, Grand Central Station that does not actually exist. He reminisces the entire experience with his psychiatrist friend Sam. As I told you earlier, Charlie thought he experienced time travel and had reached somewhere in the 1890s, a time before the world saw two of its most deadliest wars. As soon as he realized what time he is in, he immediately decided to buy two tickets to Gulfsburg, Illinois, one for himself and other for his wife. Do you know what is the name of his wife? Yeah, I have already told you the name of his wife means Charlie's wife is Louisa. Unfortunately, the currency used in that century was different. Thus, the next day, he withdrew all his savings and got them converted, even if it meant bearing losses. He went looking for the third level but failed to find it. Here you may create the question if the character had already entered in the third level, but how it missed. Really, you have to come on the same point where the people misguide themselves. Whenever the mind is very heavy with the anxieties, with the world problems, and the people want to really live in the world of peace, in such a condition, the people reach somewhere else. My dear students, whenever he told his wife about his plan, actually his wife was also surprised. As I told you, he went for looking the third level, but he didn't find it. It worried his wife and the psychiatrist Sam, who told him that he is hallucinating in order to take refuge from reality and miseries of the world which is full of worry. Charlie thus resorts to his stamp collection in order to distract himself, when suddenly one day he finds a letter from his friend Sam, who had gone missing recently. Missing recently means he was really far from the touch of his friend. He was somewhere else because he wanted to bring his friend on the right platform. His friend Sam wrote that he always wanted to believe in the idea of third level, and means how he reached on the third level, and now that he is there himself, he encourages Charlie and Louisa to never stop looking for it. Dear students, here you may ask me the question why his friend wrote such a letter wherever such a place means like the third level never existed, but still he wrote such a letter. He got success to find it, and now he is living in peace just after reaching at Galsburg. Why? What was the reason behind it? Really, you would like to know from me? It is my promise that I will discuss over all these points in my next session.